What's up, guys? Welcome back to Vitamin P. And I just wanted to show you guys something terrible happened, guys. Seriously, yo, guys, I'm gonna show you something terrible just happened. Somebody wrote "clean me a Khaleesi." Why would they do that? Oh my god. Yo, somebody disrespected Khaleesi. I can't believe it. Somebody wrote "clean me on Khaleesi." Like if I don't take care of Khaleesi. Like if I didn't buy Khaleesi some brand new tires just yesterday, huh? Like if I didn't give Khaleesi an oil change and give her a new battery. The kind of disrespect. But don't worry. I know I've been promising to get Khaleesi all cleaned up, and I'm going to do that today actually. And then I'm going to take you for a little workout, guys. So stay tuned. Going to take Khaleesi for a little clean, and then we're going to hit the gym. Okay, stay fit, never quit. New year, new me. We're still on that. And I'm going to show everybody a routine that you can do. The sun is blazing, but it is actually freezing outside. But yeah. I'm going to take it to the gym, and I'm going to do a little routine workout, because usually that is the number one thing that people need help with, is a routine when it comes to getting back into the gym. So I'm going to take you through a routine that you can do Monday, Wednesdays, Fridays. It doesn't take much, guys. Just 3 days a week, something simple, and that's what I'm going to show you today. All right, so first going to take Khaleesi for a little wash, then I'm going to hit the gym up. All right, so stay tuned. Alright, problem solved. Look at that. Got Khaleesi all cleaned up. Watch Khaleesi now. Khaleesi, I shine up. You know, Khaleesi, new you. 2018, new year, new you. That's right, Khaleesi, looking nice and shiny. Perfect. All right. Now we can go to the gym. What's up, and welcome back to Vitamin P. Yes, it's another one, and Happy New Year, Happy 2018. Today, I know it's that time of the year. Everybody's thinking about working out, eating better, aka basically losing weight. And a lot of people motivated to start the gym, but they do not have a routine. So today what I thought I'd do is give you guys a routine that you can do 3 days a week, Monday, Wednesday, and Fridays. And of course, this is for beginners. You're just starting back in the gym. Ladies, you can also do these workouts and exercises as well. Okay, so it's not just for guys. Women, you can definitely do this too. All right. So I'm going to give you 3 workouts. I'm basically going to do this video. Not sure if I'm going to split it up into 3 videos or just give you all 3 workouts in this one. I guess I'll decide when I edit. But yeah, let's start off with Monday's workout. All right, let's go. How was that? Not too bad, right? Not too much. Bench press, 1 arm row, each arm as well. Some squats, and then the incline bench press. All right, guys, that's it. That is day number 1. Now remember, that's not all you need to do. I mean, after that, now in the beginning of these workouts, guys, what you want to do, about 10 to 15 minutes of some cardio. So either skipping, the ropes, or by the treadmill, just to get warmed up. And then you'll do these workouts here. That was Monday's workout. Probably take you about maybe 20 minutes to complete these workouts. So remember, these are broken down into combos, right? So you have workout A and workout B. So you have 1A and you have 1B. Those are a set. So you're going to do them back to back, right? So you're going to do 3 sets of these exercises, okay, for the first one. So you're going to do 3 sets. So you're going to do bench press. You're going to do 8 reps. You're going to rest for 1 minute. And then after that, you're going to do the dumbbell row, okay? And you're going to do 12 of those. You're going to rest for 1 minute. And then you're going to do that over again. Okay, so you're going to do 3 sets of that. And then the second part of the workout, you are going to do 5 squats, dumbbell squats. And without any rest at all, you're going to go right into the incline dumbbell bench press. Okay, and you're going to do 15 reps of that. Okay, after you've completed those back to back, you are going to rest for 1 minute. Then you're going to do it again. So only 2 sets for the second exercise. Okay, squat, 5 squats, and then 15 reps for the incline bench press like you saw me do. And remember, guys, less is more. Okay, you're just starting out. You don't want to go in the gym and start going crazy and spend a whole hour in there, right? So 15 minutes on the treadmill, then you'll go into this exercise, which will take about 20 to 30 minutes, as a beginner, which is completely fine. Once you're finished this workout, you can do some core exercises, so some crunches, some planks, some rope pull down, or anything fun in the end to finish your workout out. And remember, guys, you don't have to spend hours in the gym. When you're just beginning, 30 to 45 minutes is good enough. All right, so that is day 1. That is your Monday workout. I'm going to get into the day 2 workout, show you what you're going to do on your Wednesday. All right, guys, so let's get into the next workout.